Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Wedding Week video. Today I have a really lovely box card for you. This is my happy wedding box card. How beautiful is that? You have the couple there in the center, a really fun flower garland in the background. There's also some butterflies back there that's cut out of the card base. That pretty sentiment right there in the front as well. It folds flat for mailing. There's a spot on the back for your message. And of course I include an envelope as well. Now I do have 3 different versions of this card so that you can make it for straight couples, gay couples, or lesbian couples. You'll just have to choose which option you would like to make. Those are all located within the download. This card is really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. Okay, for this project you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, your weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Wedding Week 2025. If you're watching this video while the event is going on, you can find the cut file on the event page. There's a link down below for you to check it out. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in the link below. If you're interested in all cut files during the event, as well as printable worksheets, bonus cut files, and commercial licensing for all event files, go ahead and check out the VIP Access Pass. You can find out more information in the description box below. No matter how you get the file, make sure you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, but before we do that, we're going to select which version of this card we want to make. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the straight couple, so I'm going to highlight the other versions and then delete those out. Now we can scroll down the layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight the score lines, change those to score on the operation menu, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing to the card base. And to the inside tab piece. Once we've converted the score lines for the envelope, the card base, and the inside tab piece, we can go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that I have everything all cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we're going to do is fold and burnish along the score lines for the outside box piece. Just like that. I will set that to the side. And now we can go ahead and layer the back cover panel. What that's going to consist of is the larger white piece and then the messaging panel. So we're going to go ahead and layer those together. So it looks just like that. Now take your outside box piece and flip it over, and then attach the back cover panel to the back of the card. And now we can see those butterflies a lot better. Set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer the inside tab piece. Before we do that, I'm going to fold and burnish the tabs. Now, one thing that I will mention, this piece on the inside tab piece, if you're using a thinner cardstock, it can be a little flimsy, so you might want to do 2 of these if you have a lighter weight cardstock. That way you can double up this to make it a little stronger. However, because they attach together, the strength should be there with the support from this tab piece. It's totally up to you. I just think that if you're using a lightweight cardstock, you might want to double up on it. And I'll set that to the side. And lastly, we can mat and layer the front cover panel. Now, I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But from back to front, for the front cover panel, you're going to start with the couple silhouette, then the gray piece, and then the white piece. And there we go. Set that to the side. Now we can take our outside box piece and our inside tab piece. I'm going to add glue to this left tab here. And attach it here on the left side, making sure to line up my edges and follow that score line here on the left. And repeat that for the right side. And now I will add glue to this front left tab and attach the left side of our front cover panel. Again, making sure to line up the edges. And repeat that for the other side. Just like that. I'm going to set that to the side so everything can dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take the inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. flip the inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press, and then that forms our envelope. And our box card is all set. Wasn't this card so beautiful? Really easy to put together. I think that the newlyweds would really love it. I hope that you make it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Wedding Week video. Bye-bye.